Okay, the fun continues. So, some more questions to do with functions and substitution. So, here we have a more interesting question. There's a little bit more going on. So, f of x equals ax plus b, but we don't know what the a is and we don't know what the b is. However, we did talk a little bit earlier about this is a coordinate. This sentence, mathematical sentence here, tells me that when x is equal to 2, the function is equal to 1. Similarly, when f is equal to minus 3, the function is equal to 11. Relying on a little bit of background now. And that is that y equals ax plus b is like the equation of a straight line. So let's find a couple of points. 2 across, 1 up might be somewhere like this. And 3 to the left and 11 up might be somewhere like this. So this line here is the second point, and here is the first point. And all we need to do is find an A and B that match this line. So that's our purpose. So how are we going to go about it? Well, the notation is telling you, it's telling you to substitute. Where you see an F, I'm going to put a 1. Where I see a X, I'm going to put a 2. At the end of this, we hope to find a number. Let's just have a guess off the top of my head. Y equals, it's going down, so the slope is going down, minus 3x plus 4, say. And then it keeps going down. It keeps going down. All right, this is a pretty rough guess. I just had a bit of a look at the shape of the graph. Okay, so that's what the purpose of this question is. So now we'll do the actual question. So, the question relies on the substitution. If f of 2 is equal to 1, so that equals where I see an x, I'm going to put a 2. Now, I don't know what the a and the b are, and that would give me this linear equation. 2a plus b equals 1. Now, I'm not sure what's going on there. It's not quite enough information. We'll try another equation. F of minus 3 equals 11. So here's my 11. That's the function. Now we're going to do a bracket plus b. Where I see an x, I'm going to put a minus 3. So let's have a look. Let's rearrange this. So they've got minus 3a plus b equals 11. Now I'm hoping that people can see these two equations, 1 and 2. I'm going to rearrange and solve these by substitution, like we did towards the end of year 10. There'll be an example sheet of how to do that in the functions section of the OneNote. But let me just go here. So that's the setting up the question. This is the substitution step. This is using the maths that we've learnt in year 11. Here is some maths from year 10. 2 equations, 2 unknowns we need to solve. Starting with equation number 1. 2a plus b equals 1, or it could be rewritten as b equals 1 subtract 2a. I've simply moved this part over here. Now, put into equation number 2. So it's currently minus 3a plus equals 11. So now, instead of using b here, I'm going to put this part. 1 subtract 2a. This has been replaced with the b. Now you need to put everything together. So I've got minus 3a minus 2a is minus 5a equals 11 take 1 equals 10. A little bit of division, and we have the answer for x is minus 2. Just to finish, find b. Well, b equals 1 subtract 2 times whatever the a was. From over here we have that a was minus 2, and 1 subtract minus 2 times by minus 2 is plus 4. b is 5. So over here we have this and this. So now we can rewrite f of x is equal to minus 2x plus 5. So this is the purpose of the whole question. So we'll just pause and look at this. That's a good catch, and review. What was new for this question for year 12? We had 2 steps, 2 bits of information to be substituted into that formula to generate the 2 equations. This is the part that you need to go back and have another look at the start of the video. This part about solving the simultaneous equation, well, you can look on the OneNote for a bit more revision material about that. But I did it using substitution in this case. Okay, I think that's a wrap. Back to the fun.